boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Imagine Dragons with a song called Bubble. Alright, so it's pretty much in the same way through the entire song, with a bridge part that has some different chords. Otherwise, it's about 3 chords mainly, but yeah, it's about 5 chords. That's all you need, and we'll start with the 3rd fret capo there. So capo on 3rd fret, and the 5 chords, that is what we're gonna go over first. So let's start with the C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. The 3rd chord will be F, so you have a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings, and then the rest you need to place your fingers on 3rd fret A string, 3rd fret D string, and 2nd fret G. So these first 3 chords are the main chords, C, G, F, but then we need to add the A minor and D minor. So A minor will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. So there we have it. So let's start with the song. It starts with C. So let's display this strumming pattern and do it with the C chord. 1 round will be down, up, clap, up. Okay? And that is what we're going to work with through the entire song, this strumming pattern. Down, up, clap, up, like this. That is 1 round. When you do the last down, you don't have to do a full up on all strings like this. You just turn on the B and E string or so. Just snap it on the way up like this. So down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. Like this, pretty easy. All right, so let's start with the first verse. I think it's that easy, so I'm just gonna play meanwhile I'm speaking here. So let's start with C4, or actually it will be C8 because it's C 2 times 4. So C8 rounds of the strumming first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you are in the middle of the first verse in the lyrics, you told me things. There you're gonna start again with C2, then G1 and F1. That chord progression you play for 2 rounds. So C2, G1, F1, and again C2, G1, F1. And that is the first verse. So C8, then C2, G2, F1. And that you're gonna play for 2 rounds, C2, G2, F1. That takes us to the first chorus. In the lyrics you said, call on me when you're in trouble. So you're gonna continue this C2, G1, F1, that chord progression you're gonna play for 4 rounds. So let's go for a couple rounds of this. C2, G1, F1. That is the chorus. And then we have a post chorus. Guess what? You're gonna continue the same here. C2, G1, F1 for another 2 rounds. Don't think we have to play that. I think you get it by now. And that will be the post chorus, 2 rounds. Then comes the second verse there. It's played in the same way as the first one. And the same goes with the second chorus as well. The second post chorus played in the same way. The only difference here is instead of 2 rounds of this C2, G1, F1, you're gonna play 4 rounds. So it's twice as long. Otherwise, played in the same way. And after the second post chorus comes this bridge part. This is where you need to add the A minor and the D minor. So we will have one chord progression that will be played for 2 rounds. So you will add the same strumming to it, just different chords. So I'm gonna speak meanwhile I'm playing, starting with A minor for 3 rounds. So A minor, 3, then G1, D minor 4, then C4, and D minor 4. That is the first chord progression round, so let's start again. A minor 3, G1, D minor 4, and C4, and finally D minor 4. That is the bridge part, 2 rounds of that. And that takes us to the final chorus and kind of outro. You will play the C2, G1, and F1. We know that combo by now. You will play that till the very end, and then it will be 12 rounds. And that is actually how the Imagine Dragons Bubble song ends. So yeah, hope that helped, guys. Give it a try. Very simple song to handle and play. So good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.